Okay, we're going to solve the circuit using mesh analysis. So already defined the loop current. So right here we have I1 coming clockwise, and that's how we normally do it. And notice we stay in this first loop. I2 is the second one, and I3 the third, all going clockwise. So let's write the equation for I1 in red. So we got 2 times I1. So that's just 2 ohms times the current flowing through, which is I1, plus 3 times I1, and then plus 2. This is 2 volts is equal to 0. And it's plus 2 because the current is flowing clockwise and comes into the positive terminal of the voltage source. Now coming to I2, write this equation in orange. So the first term is minus 2 volts. And that's because we're coming into the negative terminal of the voltage source right here. And then plus 5. Now this is going to be I2 minus I3 is equal to 0. And it's I2 minus I3 because I2 is coming down the 5 ohm resistor and I3 is coming up the 5 ohm resistor opposing it. And then for the last equation, I3, if you notice, if you look in this loop right here, we go through a 5 ohm resistor, 4 ohm, but then right here's a 3 ohm, or a 3 amp current source, which is in the same direction as I3. And since it's not sharing any other loop, we know that I3 should be equal to 3 amp. And now you can solve this system of equations, and I did it using my calculator. So I'll provide the answers if you want. I could do a tutorial on how to put these equations into the TI Nspire calculator, which is what I use. So I1 is going to be negative 0.4. Oh, crap. Bad 4. Erase this. Okay. Negative 0.4 amps. And then 2 is going to be 3.4 amps. Then 3 is going to be 3 amps, like we said. So there you go. Please comment and subscribe.